All right, so 17 Camry, and those are some big ass speakers. What I would do with this thing, and the door panel is, I would take this off. Let's take them off. See what we got going on, because we got. I like just throwing things. There you go. Just whip it off. I whip my drill back and forth. I whip my drill back and forth. So here we go. Let's see what we got going on here. Wow, there's like absolutely nothing to this. All right. So this big ass bracket, what I would do, definitely 6.5s. 6x9s are pretty cool too, but you'd have to get a bracket. I'll see if there's a bracket online. But I would just cut this thing out. Break it all out. Break it all out. And use this bracket, this factory bracket, as your actual new bracket. That's what I would do, but not replacing them. Showing you how to do it. And there you go. And there you have it. So here's the speakers in a 17 Camry. Got it? Got it. Good. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.